Okay, so today we're gonna I have a good video for you because I did get the DApp testing correctly. As you can see right here, all 8 tests. I added some additional mints and burns, and so let's look. It's maybe a little messy. So, well, first let's look at the test. The first was initialization, and then we had minting. Now this is what's printed out, and this is the success or failure. This is transferring. Oh, sorry, this is minting again. And then we transfer, we mint another token, burn a token, and set a new mint authority. So, basically the changes I had to make were in the test program, and as you can see, it's a little bit messy. Obviously, the initialization, let's see right here, that worked correctly. You just create a mint, you're creating a from, and you're creating the accounts. Then, the next thing is you mint a token. Now, the key thing is, now let me explain something. If you just have 2, it's going to use the 2 account. If you want to use another account, you're going to do colon, and we'll see that in a second. So I got the 2 account. I checked, the error I was getting was a 0x1. Let me see if I can show you, go back far enough to show you that. Because, let's see. I'll go up quite a bit here. So that you can recognize this error. See. This is by the time I was not getting 0x1 errors. Here it is. So this is a transfer. The reason this was happening is because the account that was transferring essentially had no money in it. And the confusion there was in this transfer, let's see, let's go over here. In the transfer, I was actually transferring, well, I had 2, I did not have, don't believe I had these. So I was transferring to the 2 account and from the from account. Well, that didn't work so well because the from account had nothing. So what I started doing, and I knew it needed, the 0x1 error, it basically doesn't have enough, it doesn't have enough money, if you will. Money is based on what they call lamb parts. So there's a lamb parts per solid I brought in from here. And if you, the number of lamb parts you have, the minimum is the get minimum balance for rent, etc., which we give it when we create the, let's see where it is, create token account. Here we go. I even made it double. Create mint instruction. So, when you're, this is mint instructions. And create mint instructions is called. is called in when you call the method create mint. And notice this. This whole part I didn't end up using because we have transaction, we have the instructions. The original code said send. It's actually you have to use send and confirm. That was the first error I was able to fix. But you have this method send create mint, which is called right here. So this is where you're getting the LAM points. And create token account. Whoop. All right, create token account calls the create token instructions. So let's account. It's right down here. So when you do that, again, you're giving it LAM points. But when I was creating, and maybe this, when I did not have anything, the way they discuss it, the LAM points, I'm based on the amount of a soul you have. So if you have 100 soul and you divide its LAM points per soul, so you have, let's see, if you have 1 soul, you have the number of LAM points per soul. I think that's it. Have to write it out, but at any rate, the problem was that the from account did not have any soul, and I was using that to do the transfer. Let's go back to transfer. Here we go. Here we go, proxy transfer. So I was transferring it from to the to account from the from account that was empty. That did not, so I changed this. You see I have the colon, and then I say I'm transferring to the from account from the to account. And then you get what's in, and then what's in the accounts, and then you can do an assert. So it's saying the from account should have 400. This one I commented out. And then we did mint. I did another mint to the to account. And then I did a burn. Now again, by that point, because I then burn from the to account, I was trying to burn from the from account. Okay, so now I'm burning from the to account, and then I again did the math to figure out how much I should have left. Now, set new mint authority is the last thing, and this is just calling the method that sets the authority to mint and gives it the public key and the token program, which we've used for all the others. So that, again, well, the first thing you have to do is generate a Mint Authority key pair. And let's see, new Mint Authority public key. And so you're setting the, again, you're setting everything, the token, the Mint Authority, and the accounts involved. So that's the test. So let's discuss what's the takeaway. First of all, if you see the code that says just send, it's send and confirm. The other thing is, let's see, this is the other thing that you have to be aware of is the to and the froms. Again, what I found in working with this is to, from, and mint, which are defined here, up here. If you don't tell it otherwise, it's going to assume it's these accounts. So that's why I had to do the from down here when I'm minting to the second account, to the from account, and I'm transferring to the from account. And the other thing is you got to make sure this is the amount. And you see you can print out, this is the other thing I added, the console.log works really well, and you can just get from account amount to account amount. You can actually see what the heck's going on. Let's go back down. And that really helped me debug this situation. You can see to account, and then the to account and the from account. That gave me critical information in debugging it. So, as you can see, there are some things you have to be aware of in working with the this token testing. And again, everything matches up to what was in the actual program. You can look at it and see. But again, some of the code that they put in the in documentation was out of date. In particular, the send and confirm. Also, I think there was some issues with how they were doing to and from, because had they done that correctly, once I figured out the send and confirm, that should have worked. So, and again, doing this printout here, let's see if I can find it. This console log will help you figure out how much is in the account and help you then sort out if something is giving you, especially if you're getting the 0x1 error that indicates that there's insufficient funds. So hopefully this has been helpful, and thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, again, comments, if you have anything you want to see as we move forward, let me know. Put it in the comments. And I will speak to you next time. Take care.